Blessings. People, sorry I was unable to upload yesterday. News. Rats are expected to start eating the vendors of Falmouth Market in Trelawney as soon as possible in an attempt to take over as new business operators. Star and Gleaner, not have editors like this. You'll never find my titles nowhere else. Just go and observe. Not even the observer no have it. JCF mourns as cop dropped dead. Also coming up, Twesha Heron missing. So that and more. And remember that if you're new to the channel, if it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel. And also remember to give this video a like always for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Stay safe. An unhealthy situation has developed at the Falmouth Market in Trelawney, where rats rummaging through the food items on sale. That means the rat them a ransack the place, food a drop off a stall, the cabbage them a roll away, mice broke off one finger the banana, etc. if you understand me. So the mayor, Colin Gager, need to go and address the situation, because you're comfortably collecting pay from the government for work you're not doing, eating right around the clock 24/7, while the rats are about to start eating the people invading the market, causing vendors to retreat. The vendors are saying they are in need of a peat piper to rid the market of rats, and it's an urgent request because what they don't want is for leptospirosis to join C19 as a pandemic. And the piles of garbage can be seen at the western section of the market back to William Nib or Swamp Safari. So they're appealing to the authorities to take the necessary steps required to rid the area of the rodents. The collection of garbage is sporadic, and the rats are turning the area in a maternal ward, pure pregnancy and newborn, one woolly pitney, and it has been confirmed by Garnet Edmondson of the National Solid Waste Management Authority, the NSWMA. But what he's also saying is that the vendors are to be blamed because they have failed to dispose of their garbage properly. They are short-handed, and skips are in place for the garbage to be placed in, but the vendors refuse to bag their garbage properly. They dispose them loosely and expect the garbage collectors on the truck to clean up after them. And we must be mindful of the fact that the garbage collectors, the workers on the truck, are like undertakers. They are just there to collect and leave, not to walk around the crime scene searching for evidence. One vendor, Sonia Holmes, said the rats are making her life miserable because on several occasions she is forced to dispose of her food items they have bitten. Food items such as cabbage, Irish potatoes, tomatoes and pumpkins. She even stated that she was to dispose of 16 pounds of pumpkin and suffered a loss of over $2,000. An NSWMA worker who asked to remain anonymous told the media that a promise was made to have the fire department wash out the market on a regular basis, but that is not happening. I wonder why. And not only that, but officials of the Trelawney Municipal Corporation were tight-lipped when contacted, not willing to say much on a possible breakout that are hovering over the heads of the market community. They are directing all the attention to the mayor, Colin Gager, who are not taking calls, maybe because he was briefed about the media contacting him about the problem, so he refused to pick up the phone. But the earlier the matter is addressed, it will be better for the entire town of Falmouth, and also to prevent a breakout that will affect Jamaica on a whole, because these leaders are so neglectful to a point where they don't care about what happens to the residents, to the people, as long as it won't affect their inflow of income. So leave a comment and make your opinion count down in the comment section. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is again mourning as a member collapsed and died this morning. It is reported that 49-year-old Constable Robert Roach, who was attached to the Kingston Central Police Station, was at his home in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, when he complained about feeling ill. He later collapsed and reportedly became unresponsive. He was taken to the Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced. Chairman of the Police Federation, Constable Rowan James, said his death has rocked the force, especially cops attached to the police station. James said the passing came on the heels of the death of Sergeant Marlon Smith, who was assigned to the Prospective Service Division, who lost his life in a 3-vehicle collision along the Cooper Spain Main Road in Trelawney on Thursday. He noted that the division and the police station are in proximity, and it was only yesterday Roach was himself offering condolences to the Smiths family. The Federation chairman said that Roach's sudden death highlights the need for increased health services for members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. He's saying that the environs are not so much conducive, and he don't believe that the holistic approach that should be taken to health and well-being is actually where it's supposed to be at the moment. He said a project was presented to Minister of National Security, Dr. Horace Chang, and they're hoping it can be fast-tracked because quite a few members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force are suffering from chronic illnesses, some of which are battling cancer and more, etc. And he's also complaining about rat infestation at some police facilities. Termites are taking over control. Please don't make the rat eat the prisoner then, because we all know that some persons inside of some of these lockups are there for small matters. Police just get ignorant and pick up some man, all up in them feelings and pick round the youth them. Some youth of them did that carry feelings for a long time, and when the youth them retaliate, them say, you know how long me did want you do that or say that from all on par you. So, no make rats eat them youth there, but as for the ones that are there for murder and RAPE, illegal trespassing, rat can have them man. Just put them in a one cell and let us some rat in upon them and cock up every hole until the rats are finished feasting. Leave a comment and make your opinion counts down in the comment section. Now we are in Manchester. The National Water Commission is reporting that operations at its Moravia treatment plant in Manchester have been reduced to 50% due to a mechanical issue. As a result, customers have been experiencing a disruption in their regular water supply. Affected areas include Christiana, Colleyville, Chudley, Malton, Mulligan, Devon, Farm, and Richmond. The Commission says it is working to restore operations by Monday, July 5. And now as we take a look at St. James, 40-year-old Twesha Heron of Bugs Bunny, Lilliput in St. James has been missing since Friday, June 25. She is of dark complexion, slim build, and about 162 centimeters, 5 feet 4 inches tall. Reports from the Bartown police are that Heron was last seen at home wearing a brown striped blouse, blue jeans pants, and a pair of black slippers. She has not been heard from since. So anyone knowing the whereabouts of Twesha Heron is asked to contact the Bartown police at 876-953-7899, police 119 emergency number, or Crime Stop at 311. Her family are eagerly awaiting her safe return, and we too are in support of her reuniting with her peers. So if you have any information whatsoever, you could also contact family members at 876-562-0195 or 876-787-9051, along with the nearest police station like I stated before, so they can update their missing person listing. Anyway, thank you for watching. Leave a comment and make your opinion counts down in the comment section. Also remember that if you're new to the channel, if it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel. And also remember to give this video a like for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Stay safe.